have to give it some gas.
The voltage is slightly drooping now.
Not right now.
Well, it slightly drooped from 100. I'm just saying it's because of the controller is. It's getting almost at 90. And no boost or regen usage.
It sounds really messy when you take your foot off the gas.
I don't know if he's going to keep trying to. Like an increase right there. Yeah, it definitely bumped up. It was like a 90. Oh, we actually started.
94, 95,
96. 98. Oh my god, he should boost.
He needs to boost. You need to be telling to boost. We need to tell him to boost.
No, actually this thing should like stop regenning or
It's
he's
not
going
going
to
to be
spin out.
He's already back up to 100.
No, he's at 97. It's coming
97.
down.
96. We
don't
can
have
see
it.
increases.
In voltage, more than voltage.
Boost! Boost! There are like some spikes in RPM right here.
Oh, this is playing music.
Oh,
Apparently.
what do you want to see?
Boost rate.
The boost is really weak.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
That's what
knew
I got.
that.
Oh,
Why?
okay.
Why is it weak?
Because he's already at speed.
So it's not actually adding much. Wait. Nope.
Let them go.
Jeez, she's
like-
really accelerated up.
She missed their breakfast.
Maybe run these guys over real quick.
What does this person do?
Trying to race us.
What is
Okay,
he
so
doing
They,
right
their
now?
car's fast enough to just dirt people like that.
Yeah, I think on the boosting that's killing us is like the sluggishness. By the time the boost kicks in, it's like you're already like.
Yeah, it
at
takes
high
about a
speed,
second
so
or
it's
two
like-
to
But
actually
the
kick
boost
in.
is constant torque, so it should
But you
accelerate
notice from the
you.
beginning from when it like
Yeah,
starts
yeah,
from
but,
a
like,
standstill
you know,
when you just press it, it just
The
takes a while.
boost is just really weak, I think.
I think it also has like a little bit of an unintentional slope. It doesn't like shoot up straight and brings you
Right.
straight up to like the required torque. But again, it takes a while to get there.
That's part of the forward map. I think we should change
One arm's boost, two arms regen. Waving is stopped.
that. Waving.
Wait, what is boost?
One arm boost.
Dancing.
One arm boost. Okay.
That's stopped.
Dancing. Okay, 92. We see what are you doing dancing.
He just boosted. He's at 90. He's not really doing anything.
No, the signals are both.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's yeah, that's regen.
So he
It went up
regen.
from 93.
93.
So we did get that event?
Oh, settle down.
That was a regen. It's keeping it nicely around like just about the 90s.
Okay, he's regening for a few seconds over there.
Tell him